What's up, fellow traders? Hope you're all doing well and hope you're all having an awesome day. So a very quick update here on nat gas, gold, and we're going to go through crude oil as well. So starting with natural gas. Awesome. So what do we have here? So just a quick heads up for you guys. As you can see, the price is now in the process of a pullback. As you can see, it can now still hit 20 EMA and form a bullish engulfer. That would be your entry, or it can retest this zone here, the previous zone that has been recently broken. So you can either get two conditions, either a hit of 20 EMA, bullish engulfer, hit of 50 EMA, bullish engulfer, or this zone, bullish engulfer. So all I'm looking at the entry condition, which is my bullish engulfer at this point. So keep an eye here. Once you get this condition, you're good to go long. Use 1 ATR for your targets. I'm expecting an entry condition very soon, looking at this pullback. Here on currency.com, similar as Oanda, price can still give you few red candles followed by a bullish engulfer. Once you have that, we are good to go long. Just look for an entry condition, which is a bullish engulfer. Simple and clear. You need to look at bullish engulfer either at 20 EMA or at this zone. As long as price is above 50 EMA, we are only looking for buy condition, and it is likely to get one of that. Once you have a condition, as mentioned in my yesterday's video, 161 retracement can be your target or 1 ATR can be your target. Let's check gold. We can still get this pattern, which is likely a double bottom pattern. If I see that pattern, I will enter my another long trade. So that is what I'm expecting from gold. So not selling, only waiting for my price to come back in this rejection area. We already have a push up right here, so that is why I'm just waiting for another way of entering this trade. With that would be my double bottom right here. We had an awesome entry condition, as you can see, and this was one of the condition. As you can see, the ADR of this candle is 7 and price did push up $10, and we have our take profit hit at this point. One of the good trade entered with an entry condition, and that just happened an hour ago. So what to expect from it? For the price wants to continue to push up in a trend, price needs to break and close above 50 EMA. So like I always say, when the price is pushing down in a trend, once the price hit these zones, it just give you a quick bounce that can hit your take profit, and then it can likely to fall. And then similar condition happened here. We have a major support, price hit my support area. By the way, this was a zone I have already sent to members in the priority group. They should have received these zones and they should be prepared to take this entry. So at this point, at the price hit this zone, it hit our take profit. $10 is more than enough to take your profits. Now we don't have to be greedy at this point. If the price wants to continue with the trend, then it needs to be broken above 50 EMA. If that happens, then there's a confirmation that price will hit the next level of resistance, which is 1852 goes up to 1868. So all you need to see, break and close above 50 EMA. Otherwise, if the price wants to continue to push down with a trend, then it will likely give you a one green candle and then the bearish candle. So that's something we call a bearish engulfer, something like so. If you have a move like a bearish engulfer, then we have a confirmation that price is likely wants to push down and continue with a trend as our take profit is hit here. Otherwise, breaks above, then we have a chance that price will likely to push up, hit the next level resistance. Of course, I will look for condition above 50 EMA. So keep an eye here. Let's check crude oil. So crude oil is just moving sideways. Yes, it is a valid head and shoulder pattern, but I want to see this pattern on my support or resistance area. So that is why I'm not really paying attention to this pattern. So at this point, price is broken above 50 EMA. I will only look for my buying opportunities. We did not get any sort of bearish condition below 50 EMA. So there's no point of entering bearish trade just by saying that price is trading below 50 EMA. All we need to see a condition below 50 EMA, which we did not get, of course. So now I want to see few red candles and a pullback of a bullish engulfer. Once you have a bullish engulfer, then price is likely to push up. Use 1 ATR for your target. ATR is a number right in the corner. At this point, the ATR of this candle is 86, less than $1. So once you have a condition, your target will be less than $1. So look for a good condition like a bullish engulfers to take your long trade, and we keep on taking buying as long as price will trade above 50 EMA until we hit this next level of major resistance. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusion, you can always buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.